Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to increase the screen timeout in this device. Now in this device you can just after the 15 seconds the device will automatically turn off of the inactivity of the device. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see the device will you can see. So let me show you how to increase the screen timeout in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option display. Then here you can see the option screen timeout. You can see, tap on this one, then you can see some timing. You can see here from 15 seconds to 30 minutes you can set the screen timeout. Okay, so here I select the option 15 seconds. So if you want to increase, then you can select this one also. Now you can see the screen timeout after 2 minutes of inactivity. Up to 30 minutes you can set the screen timeout. You can see. So simply in this way you can increase the screen timeout in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.